This is Honor Magic 8. Let's unboxing. First, we'll notice the color scheme. The one we have is a sky blue glaze, and if you look closely at the texture, the back panel has a texture similar to ice crackles. I even did some research and found that this inspiration comes from Rue porcelain, one of the 5 famous porcelains of the Song dynasty. You can see that the color scheme uses the signature sky blue glaze of Rue kiln porcelain. The fission effect is similar to the crackle glaze of Rue kiln porcelain, which embodies a very Chinese aesthetic. The imaging module also features Honor's signature square and circular design. Also, notice the transparent ring between the lens aperture and the back panel, which reflects the texture and creates a more vivid sense of depth. On the top, we can also see the 3 lenses and a periscope telephoto lens. This generation of Honor Magic 8 has a straight screen design and feels very comfortable in the hand. And notice the new side button on the right side. It feels like a broken edge, but it's actually depressible. Honor's AI capabilities are quite impressive. Previous models have enabled features like AI-generated PowerPoint presentations, AI-powered voice commands, and multi-platform taxi hailing, so this device should be able to integrate with some of these AI features. As for accessories, the included phone case is the same cyan color as the phone, and the power adapter is 90 watts. Okay, let's turn on the screen and take a look at the front. You can feel the impact of this flat screen and narrow bezels. The bezels are incredibly narrow. I don't think I've ever seen such narrow bezels. I'll compare a few phones, including the latest in our series, to see how the bezels perform. The impact is truly impressive. Everyone is pleasantly surprised by the imaging performance and AI. It is simply a standard version with the toothpaste squeezed out. You can look forward to it.